Hello there, this is Roberto Matthews with another quick tip for you. This tip I found online, but I couldn't find a video of it, so I figured I'd do a service and make a video of this tip. So I have here a Bluetooth keyboard. I have my Samsung S7 from Galaxy, and the issue here is that if I were to type anything, then like this is a test, then the keyboard pops up. Well, that's not very convenient because if you want to be able to, have all the screen uh, real estate because you have your Bluetooth keyboard, why have the on-screen soft keyboard also? So here's a real quick way to have that all set up. So basically, you're going to go to your settings. Now, again, this is a Galaxy S7, so keep in mind that every OS is a little different. And then you're going to go to language and input. And then you have two keyboards. You have the virtual keyboard and the physical keyboard. So you're going to click on your physical keyboard. And then voila, there is your show virtual keyboard. So it says here, show the virtual keyboard while a physical keyboard is also being used. You want to turn that off. And then you want to go back to your home. And now if we go back to this area here, this is a test. This is only a test. No more virtual keyboard. But what's great is that as soon as I close my Bluetooth keyboard and it registers that it's gone, the virtual keyboard comes right back on. And so when I open and get connected here, it goes away, letting me know that Bluetooth keyboard is connected. So I hope this was helpful to you. Have a great day.